Today's Career Day is designed to help you make informed decisions about your future. To find a fulfilling career, we want you to focus your skills and passions to your career goals. So let's take a moment, close your eyes, and think about what are you passionate about.
My career day match is carpenter technology. They create custom metals and alloys for a variety of uses.
I like science, studying the world through investigation. I also like technology.
Using your brains and tools to make life better.
What about engineering? Making something that makes life better.
I love math.
Using numbers and patterns to solve problems.
What's so cool about manufacturing here at CarTech, we start with our scrap metal. We charge that into our electric furnace. Using high voltage electricity, we will melt the scrap into liquid metal. You then saw that move over to our AOD, where we will refine the metal into the required chemistry.
That's technology!
For our customers. You then saw us pouring that into ingots into the shop.
With that chemistry, there are different calculations that you have to run to know how much gas to add, how much of each different element to add.
Math is used throughout the entire process, whether it's testing and measurements, as you saw with using a pair of micrometers.
That's math.
At real high level, we take solid metal, we apply energy to it in the form of either electricity or chemical reactions. We melt that metal, we refine it, we get a target chemistry to meet a metallurgical specification, and then we make that solid again.
That's science.
And then we deliver our products to customers that use those products in our everyday lives, such as medical, hip replacements, airplanes, engine parts, transportation.
That's engineering.
Follow what you love, find out what it is that interests you in manufacturing.
You're always learning something new.
Science, technology, engineering, and math are all avenues that we definitely utilize here.
Let's reflect on Career Day. Who can share their experience?
Let me tell you about my future at Carpenter.